To do a 2-point calibration, first place the probe in the pH 7 buffer, then look at the pH meter. Select Sensors to open the drop-down menu, then select Calibrate. Then click the box that pops up to the side. A new screen will appear. Select Calibrate now. You will wait for the voltage at the top to stabilize, then enter the pH of the buffer into the meter. Press Keep, then rinse the probe off with the wash bottle that has distilled water and place it into the pH 4 buffer. Once the voltage stabilizes, enter 4 into the space and select Keep, then press OK. Rinse your probe again and place it into the pH 7 buffer to ensure that the meter is now reading the pH correctly. You should see 7 on the screen and you're ready to take pH meters.
Cleanup for this lab is relatively easy. Everything can be poured down the sink. Then you want to clean everything with lots of water and soap and dry it with paper towels. You also want to make sure to cover the pH probe and put it back where it belongs, plug in the charger, leave it in the right place. And what is a buffer and how it works? A buffer is a solution that can resist a pH change upon the addition of an acidic or basic component. It works by neutralizing any acid or base that is added to maintain a stable pH.
The main difference in proton dissociation behavior between a strong and weak acid is that a strong acid readily donates a proton to water to form hydronium ions, while a weak acid only partially donates its protons and establish an equilibrium between the undissociated acid and its conjugate base. This difference in dissociation behavior is due to the relative strength of the acid's conjugate base. Strong acids have very weak conjugate bases, which mean they readily give up their proton to water to form hydronium ions. Weak acids, on the other hand, have stronger conjugate bases that have more easily accept protons from water, which leads to the establishment of an equilibrium between the undissociated acid and its conjugate base. To minimize the effect of this equilibrium, we can take several steps. Firstly, increase the concentration of the acid. Secondly, decrease the concentration of the conjugate base. Thirdly, increase the temperature. And lastly, add a strong acid or base.